Next, usapang vouchers naman po tayo. So, this is another marketing tool available on Shopee. Yes, pwede kang gumawa ng sarili mong vouchers that you can offer to your customers. Merong 4 na vouchers na pwede mong gawin. Una dyan yung shop voucher. Yung shop voucher po, ito yung mga vouchers na applicable to all your products listed on your shop. And then, meron ding product voucher. Product voucher naman, applicable lang to sa specific product kung ano yung inonominate mo for that voucher. And then, you also have the live voucher. Available to or pwede itong gamitin during your live selling. And last but not the least is the Create Video Voucher. Ito yung related sa affiliate program ng Shopee right now where you can create a video and then from there, pwede po kayong mag-attach ng voucher na pwedeng gamitin ng mga viewers or customer na bibili ng produkto mo. You can incorporate this voucher sa inyong marketing strategy kasi for me personally, ang dating sa akin ng voucher is like an additional incentive. Mapapansin nyo rin sa halos lahat ng shop on Shopee, malalaking brands, mga malalaking sellers, meron silang vouchers na ino-offer. And that means effective yun to attract potential customers or retain customers pa nga. Kasi malaki talaga yung chance na kapag nakakita ng voucher yung customer mo, they are more likely to click through and visit your shop, check your products. Syempre, swerte kapag bumili talaga sila ng product sa inyo. But the thing is, napapasok nyo sila sa inyong shop because of this voucher. Tsaka kapag may voucher offering ka, mas nagiging competitive yung products mo. But make sure na kapag gumawa kayo ng mga discounts or vouchers na to, make sure na profitable pa rin kayo. Hindi pwedeng lugi kasi nga, you are selling to get a sale and to have a profit. So, paano nga ba ginagawa ang vouchers na yan? Aside dun sa nabanggit ko na sa inyo kanina na it can attract customers to place an order, vouchers are also effective to encourage them or your customer to spend more dahil nga merong minimum spending requirement. Lalo na kapag ganun yung sineset up ninyo. So, just be strategic kasi hahabulin talaga nila yung minimum spending requirement just to get that voucher. You can now easily create your own voucher gamit ang inyong Shopee account using your cellphone. Punta lang kayo sa inyong My Shop. Pagka-click nyo dyan, diretso kayo sa Marketing Center and then lalabas doon yung voucher. Click nyo yung voucher. Once na-click nyo, meron dyang options to create new voucher and then piliin nyo kung anong voucher yung gusto nyo. Shop voucher ba yan? Product vouchers, live vouchers, or create vouchers and then fill out all the information needed and then from there, okay na kayo. So, ganun lang kadali. Sobrang bilis lang naman gumawa ng voucher. So, I highly encourage you, if hindi mo pa siya na-try, go ahead, punta ka na ngayon sa iyong shop and then create a voucher so you can increase your sales. And let us know if effective din ba yan sa shop mo and ano yung sa tingin mong pwede pa nating i-share with our co-sellers that will help us boost our sales. Thank you so much guys for watching this video and see you sa ating next tutorial. Bye!